Hello everyone, I am Sudhir Maurya. Today I am going to solve the problem of odd pattern which was asked in Shastra Coding Club challenge. So let us see the problem. So we have to write a program to print the pattern for the given n number of rows to print the desired pattern. So what we have to do is we have to draw a particular pattern for our n number of rows. So let us see an example. So here the user has entered 3 input. So the output will be 3, the 3 integers. That is here if you see there is a particular pattern in it, that is in the each row the first digit is an odd number, that is 1 3 5, and it continues as a consecutive odd number, that is 1 3 and 5, 3 5 and 1, and 5 1 3. uh, there is input format is a single integer, and that is this only 1 3 5 and 3 5 1. The output is a required pattern, that is this we have told. The next we will see the same example, that the user has entered four inputs, so the output will be four integers only. If we see the same pattern is also there here only, that is 1 3 5 7 3 5 7 1. The first digit is an odd number, and it continues as a consecutive odd number, that is 1 3 5 7 3 5 7 1. So let us understand this uh, a pattern with a code. I have written this code with Python. uh, First I have defined a function print pattern, uh, print pattern, and what it will do, it will execute this particular line when the user call this function. So whenever user executes this function, it will execute this line. So let me explain you what does this line does. So here the first line, for I in range of n, it will execute the outer loop, basically the each rows of the pattern. So here I will range from 0 to n minus 1. Here n is equal to 4, therefore it will range from 0 to n minus to 3. So our zeroth index is basically 1357. So here I will be 0. Then if we go to the next line, by putting I is equal to 0, we will get start is equal to 1. Then again we go in the inner loop, that is for j is equal to, for j in range of n. If we go in the inner loop, then we can see a print start, that I will explain this later. If we execute this, start is equal to start plus 2. Our start is basically 1. So when we execute this, 1 plus 2 module by 2 into 4. Here n is 4. So when we execute this, we will get 3. uh, so start is equal to 3. Then it will go print here only. Here what it will does, first I have printed 1, that is, then after we get 3, it will store 3 here. Then again it will go for 5, and then 7. Then it will end until it comes to 2 into 4. Then it will go 5 and then 7. It will execute these lines again and again. Then until it comes to 7, then it will be end. So when the first loop will end, it will go again here, and it will start with the first index. First it was 0, then it will start with 1. Here the first index will be 3 5 7 1. So here after putting I is equal to 1, here start will be equal to 3. Then it will again go in this loop, and it will start with the same procedure as it with the first one. Then here we will get a 3 5 7 1, and same procedure as that. It will go again and again, and at the end we will get a 7 7 1 3 5. Let us execute this code. Oh, okay, let me see the errors. So it successfully runs.
The source code for this question is available in Python, Java in the description below. If you find this video helpful, then please like and subscribe and follow TCD Shastra Coding Club on Instagram. Thank you for watching.